Chapter 7. Drawing Shapes in Scratch. What is a Sprite? It is a soft drink. I'm asking about the sprite in Scratch. Oh, a sprite is an object or character that appears on the stage. Great! Tech goals. Understand the different block shapes in Scratch. Learn about pen blocks and how to add them in the Code tab. Learn to draw shapes using the different pen blocks. In the previous classes, you have also learned how to add a new sprite, add multiple sprites to the stage, change the backdrop on the stage. Let us now learn more about the blocks in Scratch and how to draw interesting shapes in Scratch. Block shapes. The blocks in Scratch are of different shapes. They can be divided into 6 types of shapes. The shapes are hat shape, stack shape, boolean shape, reporter shape, C shape, and cap shape. Hat shape blocks. The blocks that start a script and are always the first block of a script are hat shape blocks. Hat blocks are round on the top and have a bump at the bottom. Stack shape blocks. These blocks are used to give commands in Scratch. They can be easily stacked with other blocks above and below them. They have a notch on the top and a bump at the bottom. They are the most used blocks in Scratch. Boolean shape blocks. Boolean blocks are also known as condition blocks. They are hexagonal in shape. We use them when we have a conditional situation to return the values true or false or numbers 0 or 1. Reporter shape blocks. The reporter blocks have rounded edges and can hold numbers or strings. If we ask questions with reporter blocks, then they will return an answer. For example, in this block, if we put the values 9 and 9, the block will return the answer 18. C-shape blocks. These blocks look like the letter C. We also call them wrap blocks. These blocks are used to create loops in a script. Loops are used when either we repeat the same command a number of times or when we have to check a condition within a loop. These blocks also have a notch on the top and a bump at the bottom. Cap shape blocks. They are the blocks that end a script. They have a notch at the top and a flat bottom. Drawing shapes in Scratch. To draw different shapes in Scratch, we use the pen blocks. This block category is not present on the Code tab. We have to add this category. Pen blocks. To add pen blocks to the Code tab, follow the steps given below. Step 1. Click on the Addition Extension flag button at the bottom left corner of the Code tab. Step 2. A Choose an Extension window opens. Step 3. Click on the extension type Pen. Pen blocks are added to the block category list. The pen blocks are green-colored blocks. They are used to draw on the stage. We can change the shades of the pen, color change from light to dark. The pen shades can also vary from 0 to 100, where 0 is the darkest and 100 is the lightest. The pen blocks and their functions are given below. 1. This block erases everything drawn on the stage by the pen. 2. This block makes the sprite draw a continuous line. 3. This block erases everything drawn on the stage by the pen. 4. This block makes the sprite draw a continuous line. 5. This block sets the pen's color to the given value. 6. This block sets the pen's color to the given value. 7. This block changes the size of the pen by the given value. 8. This block changes the pen size to the given value. Draw a line on stage. We will now learn how to draw a line using the pen blocks. Follow these steps to do so. Step 1. Click on the Events block category. Step 2. Drag when green flag clicked hat block to the script area. Step 3. Now click on the Looks block category. Step 4. Drag the Hide block and add it to the script. Step 5. Click on the Pen block, drag the Pen Down block and add it to the script. Step 6. Now drag the Set Pen Color to block to the script area. Add it to the script. Step 7. Click on the color dot on the block. From the drop-down menu that opens, choose a color of your choice. You can also create your own color shade by moving the sliders in the saturation and brightness sections. Step 8. Next, drag and add Erase All block to the script. Step 9. Now, click on Motion blocks, Motion category. Step 10. Drag the Move 10 steps block and snap it to the script. Step 11. Change the steps in the block from 10 to 200. Step 12. Click on the Go button. To view the line in full screen, click on Full Screen Control button. This button is on the top right corner of the stage. Text Scoop. To choose the full screen, click on the Full Screen Control button again or press the Escape key. Changing the line thickness. Step 1. To change the line thickness, we will add Set Pen Size to 1 block to the script. Step 2. Drag the block to the script and insert it below Set Pen Color to block. Change the value from 1 to 5. Step 3. Click on Go button again. You must have observed that when a line is drawn, the sprite moves to the edge of the stage or disappears from the stage. To solve this problem, do the following. Step 1. Click on the sprite and drag it towards the left edge of the stage or at the position you want it to be. Step 2. Click on the Go to X -177 block in the Motion blocks category. The position of the sprite appears in the X and Y value boxes automatically. Step 3. Add this block at the end of the script. Step 4. Then run the script again and see the difference. Step 5. You will also observe that after the line is drawn, the sprite is not visible. Step 6. Add the Show block from the Looks block category at the end of the script. Now, run the script and see the difference. Rapid Move. Create the same script in Scratch and draw a line. Experiment with different pen colors and thickness of lines. Draw a square. Let us now learn to draw a square in Scratch. To draw a square, follow the given steps. Step 1. Change the sprite. Here we have changed the sprite to Magic Wand. Step 2. You can also change the backdrop. Here we have changed the backdrop to Blue Sky too. Step 3. Click on Events blocks. Step 4. Drag the When Flag Clicked block to the script area. Step 5. Click on Looks blocks. looks. Step 6. Next, drag the hide block to the script area. Snap it below the hat block. Step 7. Click on Pen blocks. Pen. Step 8. Drag the pen down block and snap it to the script. Step 9. Then click and drag the set pen color to block and snap it. Step 10. Click on the color dot. Select a color from the drop-down menu. Step 11. Change the size of the pen from 1 to 4 in the Set Pen Size to 1 block. Step 12. Now, drag the Erase All block and add it to the script. Step 13. Next, click on Control blocks. Step 14. Drag the Repeat C, Repeat 10 block and snap it to the script. Step 15. Now, click on Motion Blocks category. Step 16. Drag the blocks, move 10 steps and turn 15 degrees one by one and snap them inside the C block. You will observe that the C block automatically expands to accommodate the blocks. Change the steps from 10 to 100. In Scratch, each number of the given value is equal to one step of the sprite on the stage. So, these 100 steps from one side of the square. So, these 100 steps form one side of the square. In the turn block, change the degree from 15 to 90. Step 17. In the Repeat C block, click and change the number of repeats from 10 to 4 as a square has 4 sides. Step 18. If you do not want the sprite to appear over the figure, you can end the code here. But if you want to see both the shape and the sprite, snap the Show block at the end of the code. Step 19. Click on the Go button. The square is drawn on the stage. Rapid Move. Modify the code created above to draw a rectangle in Scratch. Draw a circle. In the same way, you can draw a circle. To draw a circle, create the given script in Scratch. When we use this code, the sprite draws very slowly. Change the code to the following code to increase the speed of drawing a circle. You can also add Change Pen Color by 10 block to change the color of the circle drawn. Snap the block in the Repeat block after the Turn block. Change the value from 10 to 5. Try this code and see the magic happen. Now create more scripts and try to draw some more shapes in Scratch. Text summary. The blocks in Scratch can be divided into 6 types of shapes. The shapes are hat shape block, stack shape blocks, Boolean shape blocks, reporter shape blocks, C-shape blocks, and cap shape blocks. Hat blocks are used to start a script as they are always the first block of a script. Stack blocks are used to give the main commands in Scratch. Boolean blocks are hexagonal in shape and are also known as condition blocks. The reporter blocks can hold numbers or strings. The C blocks are also known as wrap blocks and are used in loops. The cap blocks are the end blocks of a script. To draw different shapes in Scratch, we use pen blocks. We can draw many shapes in Scratch, such as line, triangle, square, rectangle, and circle.